Hi everyone, happy weekend. I was just outside and it is blazing hot out there. And I thought, well, I came in because I was done weeding. Anyways, I just used this CorrectX cream, ointment, I guess. It's Essential Ointment is what they call it, from doTERRA. And I thought I would tell you guys about it real fast because we've actually used it quite a bit this week. This little guy has helichrysum, frankincense, cedarwood, melaleuca, and lavender in it. So I can tell you what those individual oils do. But basically, this awesome little thing, there you go, is like triple antibiotic ointment or bacitracin, except with essential oils. And they are so awesome for cleaning out infection, for soothing skin irritants, stopping blood. Anyway, so I just used it because right underneath my toes, the skin gets really dry and cracks under there, which sounds so weird, but I think it's probably from all my time being barefoot out in the yard and in the garden. The clay just wicks away all the moisture. So anyways, I have lubed this up every day this week, underneath my toes where it creases, to help with some of that cracked, dry skin. But also Callan split open his chin in the bathtub and then re-split it open this week. Anyways, we've been putting this on Band-Aids and then keeping it on his chin so that it heals, doesn't get infected, and hopefully reduces any kind of scarring that might happen. He's so young, so it probably won't scar. But anyways, we just use this all the time. I use it on my chapped skin, on my lips, if we've been outside and I didn't have any SPF on them. It's just really great for pretty much any kind of skin issues you have. So I thought I would let you guys know that I am in love with this product. Okay, have a great day, everyone.